Hi, and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris, and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another podcast video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at a really big update on a partnership for VeChain. Not only that, we're going to dig into, some risk around the SEC and what they could be going after next, and all the really important stuff that I think that everybody should be aware of in the crypto space. So if you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here and look, the SEC have been going after exchanges, but what could they go after next? It could potentially be stable coins or DeFi that they target next in the US as the crypto crackdown continues. If USD coin is targeted by regulators, the impact on Coinbase revenue could be significant, according to reports. Stablecoins and decentralized finances in DeFi are likely to become the next targets in the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission's crackdown on the crypto industry, according to reports. And look, we've seen them go after Binance, we've seen them go after Coinbase, and I think that there's just so much that is going on. And I do think and do expect a U-turn when it comes to the US. I think Gary Gensler is walking a very tight line and is going to be made to leave, fired from the FCC. That's what I kind of see happening in the future. But it's rather interesting because the question does come up that you're seeing other exchanges starting up and launching, and we'll come on to that in a second. Let me see if I can find the article here. Here we go. So crypto exchange backed by Fidelity launches with additional investors. So EDX Markets has a different business model than other crypto exchanges, which regulators like, its CEO told CoinDesk in an interview in April. So according to the EDX exchange, which is backed by Fidelity Digital Assets, the fact that it's being launched, what they're saying is that they're proud to announce that it successfully launched their digital asset market and completed an investment round with new equity partners. EDX Markets wrote on LinkedIn, but there's a lot of real interest. For me, I'm just going to make some accusations here, on pure speculation, I guess, nothing to back this up. But the question, I guess, to ask is, have Fidelity and BlackRock and others had an impact on what's going on? Because to see ETFs being potentially signed off for the likes of BlackRock and others, now we're seeing more and more ETFs being applications being made, and this is something that I said to expect, and we're seeing it, right? So look, I wonder how much wrongdoing and criminal activity and fraudulent deals and stuff are being made in the background for this stuff to basically happen. I am shocked. Coinbase waged unusual legal defense ahead of the SEC crypto crackdown. June 21, months before cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase became the biggest target for the US crackdown on digital assets, the company launched an unusual legal offensive, recruiting top lawyers to try to shape court ruling in other cases. Before the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, sued Coinbase on the 6th of June, the company had weighed in on two other crypto-related lawsuits brought by regulators and urged the judge to adopt views on open legal questions that are now at the heart of its own case. So basically, look, Coinbase have come forward and they've tried to support other crypto companies in cases with the SEC. But not only that, right? Coinbase are trying to get courts and judges to basically force the SEC to regulate crypto. And I think we're getting to that point now where I do think that the SEC are failing on many different levels. I think, if you're going to take enforcement action, make sure that you're squeaky clean. We're seeing with these Hinman speeches and emails, I should say, that they're not squeaky clean. And, that's very, very telling. Now, with all the stuff going on with the SEC, all of these big institutions now looking to do Bitcoin ETFs, Deutsche Bank seeks crypto custody license approval in Germany. What I'm starting to see is an awful lot of articles coming out that these big traditional finance companies are wanting to get into crypto. And this is really, really bullish. Like, this is people that have in the past said really bad things about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. All of a sudden, the main players are being attacked in the crypto space. Does seem very fishy to me that, whilst all of the big main players in the space are being attacked, we're starting to see traditional, institutional players get into the crypto space. Are they trying to push the prices down in order to get in on the cheap? I'm going to guess that the answer to that is yes, but let me know your thoughts and your opinions in the comments below. We've got another one here, Wisdom Tree and Invesco go for Bitcoin ETF following the footsteps of BlackRock. I said a few days back to expect to see more applications for ETFs for Bitcoin, and we are starting to see this, right? You can't, agree one and not others if they're, all cut from the same cloth. So I'm expecting, some positive movements in the market. I've said this. I think we'll see some positivity. We'll see some good price movements. We will see this before we come back down. So just be aware that the market is volatile. We got VeChain and Walmart expand, I should say, partnership, revolutionizing the retail with blockchain and unmatched transparency. VeChain has linked a new partnership with Walmart China. The partnership is designed to help take supply chain management using blockchain to another level. And I will link this in the Discord for you to read through at your leisure. I think that this is really, really bullish for VeChain. VeChain is a project right up there, in my opinion, that I think is going to go on to do really well. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions on everything that I've covered in today's podcast. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And what I would say is definitely worth joining us in the Discord. Link is in the description. It's absolutely free to join. Love to have some more meaningful conversations with you down in the Discord. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.